We do not exist because there is water. Although some say that water is life, food is life, etc. But those are all secondary. The very reason why we exist is that we breathe. We breathe. And there is somebody who gives us the breath and life and all the things necessary for us to continue breathing or existing. And that the Bible calls God. God is the cause of life. It is a scientific principle that I remember when I am in elementary, that nothing happens without a cause. Nothing happens without a cause. And our existence happens because there is a cause. And the cause, according to the Bible, is the existence of God. Why are we going to question His existence